guys, I was editing this video and I realized I didn't have an intro, so here I am with the text and talk method. And so in today's video, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you a short and easy Cricut Mug tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please don't forget to push that like button and press that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. So let's get started.
The first thing I do is scroll and look for some inspiration on mugs. And this is the one I found. So now I'm just going to try to make an image like that was on the mug. So I'm going to search up for coffee cup outlines, and I'm making sure it's a PNG, and I looked for on Safari and Pinterest for that. And I finally found one on Pinterest. So I went ahead and ordered that. Then I uploaded the picture onto Fonto and added the words Coffee, Cheese, Repeat in the font Better Together. Then I upload that onto Cricut Design Space. And my sizes on that is 2.75 for the width and 2.25 for the height. So next I'm just going to hit make it, and then next, and then it'll send it to the Cricut. But one quick thing, when you are doing like permanent vinyl or just removable vinyl, you have to make sure not to have it on mirror, because if you do, then your words will be backwards.
And so as you can see now, I have my Coffee Cheese Repeat sticker applied to my mug, and when I take off the transfer tape, this is what it looks like. The next thing I do is apply Mod Podge to the mug. You can use any type of Mod Podge you want, but my two favorites are the gloss and the matte. The Mod Podge is just a little protection for when you're washing the mug so the vinyl will not come off. I make sure I spread this all over the mug so it will look even and not just like a certain spot on the mug has paint streaks on it and one doesn't. And so here is what it looks like when it's all finished. The Mod Podge has dried, and there's nothing else you have to do after that. That's just how easy this was. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have fun making a mug of your own, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!